Hello everyone, welcome back. In the last couple of videos, we have seen how we can do data analysis on our data set using one single function in Excel, that is the aggregate function. And after doing the data analysis, we've also seen how we can dynamically filter our data and do data analysis on the filtered or subsets of data. So in this video, we'll take a look at the next step, how we can augment our data for data analysis or increase the value of our data or categorize or structure our data for better data analysis values. So let's take a look at that in this example. Before proceeding ahead, do not forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest of data analysis in Excel, Python and Pandas. Let's dive right into it. Okay, so here we have seen the same data set. It's the data set of a product across different categories, small, medium, large product, and we have captured different variables or parameters of that product, say length, width, height, weight and cost. Okay, now we say we want to augment our data set or increase the value of the data set. Say I want to give now a discount based on the cost of my product. How do I do that? Okay, we can do that using the XLookup field. So let's take a look at that. First, let me copy the format of this column so that it will be easy for us to see. Okay, now let's say I want to give a discount. Say if the cost is from anyways 0 to 9, I want to give 20% discount. If it's from 10 to 19, I want to give 20% discount, from 20 to 29, 25% discount, and so on and so forth. How do I do that? I can do that using the XLookup function. Let's take a look at this. So I'll rename this column as discount. Okay, and now I'll use the XLookup function. We could do this using the Vlookup as well, but I've made videos on that. I can attach the link to the description of those videos if you want to see that as well. And also I will leave a link to the previous two videos of this series in the description, so you can take a look at that as well if you have not already done so. So when I use the XLookup, so I'm first going to say what is the lookup value. So let's see the parameters of the lookup value. Okay, so what do I want to look up? So I want to look up cost. Okay, next what do I want to do? I want to pass it the lookup array. Where do I want to look this up? So I want to look this up in the cost table. Okay, then the return array. What do I want to return on looking up the specific values? I want to return the discount. Add that. Okay, if not found, I'll leave this. It's an optional argument. I'll leave this for now because I'm doing a range match and match mode. So I will say exact match or small item, as I mentioned. So if it's anything from 0 to 9, it'll get 20%. If it's anything from 10 to 19, it'll get 20%. If it's anything from 20 to 29, it'll get 25%. So let's close the bracket. And now let's fix these two tables, because these two ranges, because I'm going to be dragging the formula down, so I don't want the ranges to move. So I'll click on that and hit F4, a quick shortcut. Again, I'll select the next range, hit F4. Let us fix the two ranges. So now I'll just drag it down and change this to percentage and decrease the decimal point, and you can see done. Now say I want to categorize my data further. Say I want to say that based on the weight, the product type will be light, medium or heavy or very heavy. How do I do that? In the same manner, let's copy this first. Okay, let's do the format. I'll create a type column. Okay, again I'm going to use the XLookup function here as well, and this time for categorizing my data. So XLookup value, what value do I want to look up? This time I want to look up the weight. Where do I want to look this up? In the weight table. Okay. What are the return array? So this range I want to return, this column. If not found, leave it blank for now. And next, exact match or small item. So I'm going to hit -1, close this. Again, as we did before, let's fix the two ranges. So I select this, hit F4 to fix the columns and the rows, hit F4 again, enter, drag it down, and there a product has been categorized by its type. So here you can see that you have augmented your data set. Now you have increased the columns of the data set, or the parameters. You have given a discount and the type of the product. So this is how you can do augmentation for your existing data set. If you like this video, not forget to leave a like and a comment on my video, and please subscribe to my channel for the latest of data analysis in Python, Pandas and Excel. Thank you.